Hello and welcome back to our channel, or rather in this video welcome back where it's going to be only me. सिर्फ मैं रहने वाली हूँ इस वीडियो में क्योंकि सौरभ गया है अपने दोस्तों के साथ on a one day trip to a town nearby in Sweden. So there is this festival which happens there every year around this time, or rather on the 30th of April, I guess, every year. I'm not sure. सौरभ वो व्लॉग करने वाला है, सो वो व्लॉग भी आने वाला है, सो स्टे ट्यून. बट दिस व्लॉग इज गोइंग टू बी अबाउट अ डे इन माई लाइफ, और लाइक 36 hours in my life without Saurabh. And let's see what I'm going to do. I am going to vlog it. For now, just going to get ready and go to office, and that's also the reason why I couldn't go, because like I had to be at the office. तो बस इट्स गोइंग टू बी मी अगले 36 आवर्स तक, और देखते हैं मैं क्या क्या कर रही हूँ. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड आई होप यू गाइज एंजॉय इट. Hello, so checking in after my work, and now let's go to the gym. Hello, so I am back from the gym. It was one tiring session. I had legs and पैर बहुत दुख रहे हैं यार अब, पर it's okay. Going to have my dinner now. Dinner is already ready, and oh wow, that's one cool bike. सॉरी, आई गॉट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड बाई द बाइक. पर मैं ये बोल रही थी कि अभी मैं डिनर करने वाली हूँ, एंड डिनर के बाद आई एम गोइंग टू बेक. इट्स बीन लॉन्ग टाइम, मतलब बहुत टाइम हो गया मैंने कुछ बेक नहीं किया है. तो उसके पहले पर आई विल हैव टू स्क्रोल थ्रू सम रेसिपीज़. उसके बाद मुझे देखना पड़ेगा कि घर में क्या क्या है. आई विश एंड आई होप आई हैव ऑल द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, लाइक द बेसिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स. तो नहीं तो फिर तो नहीं हो पाएगा. बट या, आई रियली वॉन्ट टू बेक समथिंग राइट नाउ. तो फर्स्ट आई गो हैव माई डिनर, एंड या वाइल हैविंग डिनर आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू स्क्रोल थ्रू सम रेसिपीज. सो आई होप आई गेट टू बेक समथिंग टुडे. हेलो एवरीवन, रात के 10 बज चुके हैं एंड वी आर गोइंग टू बेक नाउ. अभी हम सच में बेक करने वाले हैं. आई स्टार्टेड द प्रिपरेशन अराउंड 9:30 इश, एंड आई हैव द इंग्रेडिएंट्स रेडी. मेरे पास सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स थे. गुड फॉर मी. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मेक कैरेट कपकेक्स. Yes, you heard it, carrot cupcakes. A healthier version because we are still following the diet. And yeah, so I'll just quickly show you what I have here actually as ingredients, and what I am using as a substitute for sugar. Okay, I'm going to show you. So ये हमारा पहला मिक्सचर है. इट इज़ 1 cup ऑफ मिल्क एंड डेट्स पेस्ट, मतलब जो खजूर का पेस्ट होता है वो, एंड सम चॉप्ड कैरेट्स, like 1 chopped carrot. Actually, I can't say some chopped carrots, 1 chopped carrot. We are going to blend this in a mixture. Then I had grated another carrot here just so that I can garnish it later. Then we have this muffin palette, I can say, I don't know, ये muffin वाला palette ready. This pink thing, I've kept it ready with the papers. I've got both of these from IKEA, by the way. This is what I'm using. And what we are going to do now is blend this mixture. So I'm going to be adding one more ingredient to the mixture I showed, which is banana. So banana and dates paste is like the best, मतलब the best combo है वो if you're making or baking something which is like no sugar, no jaggery, and very healthy. And come, let's blend it now, and I hope it turns out well. Adding 1 banana, as I mentioned. Just adding it like this, guys. No fancy chopping and everything, please. Yes. And adding this paste, like I said. And after this, I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil. This little thing is exactly 1 tablespoon of oil. So yes, that goes in. And now let's blend it. अभी blended mixture ready हो गया है. And this is basically oat flour. And I have grinded the oats too. And this was the measurement I took. So around 1.5 cups of oats. यहाँ पे कुछ heavy oats बचे हुए. This is the oats flour, and now we are going to add the dry ingredients. So I'm adding baking soda and then baking powder. Let's mix this a little bit. अगर आप chocolate cake कर रहे हो, so this is the time to add the cocoa powder, but we are skipping the cocoa powder this time. Adding the puree or the paste of all our mixed ingredients. So the batter is ready. और इसमें मैंने वो grated carrot भी डाल दिया है. And I've also added some raisins. I am not sure if you can see the raisins here, but I've added raisins also. अब इसको हम डालेंगे इसमें with the help of this. So let's go. Here it is ready to bake. And okay, bye. So we are going to bake it for like 25 minutes first and then see at 180 degrees and see what happens. By the way, मैंने वो silicone mold almost गिराया था, almost, because I was not able to hold it and put it inside because obviously the oven was hot and I was just not able to do it. फिर I used my brain and took out the tray and then put the silicone mold on that, which ideally I should have done in the beginning itself, but no. I was trying to put the silicone mold, holding it and like jiggling and I don't know what I was doing, but it did not happen. और फिर हो गया. तो I just hope it tastes also good. तो ये रहा final product. I know it is not the best looking cupcakes, which I knew was going to happen, but I'm just going to let it cool down for some time and taste it. Okay guys, moment of truth. I'm going to eat it. It's hot. Still I ate another bite. It's actually good. I did not expect it to turn out so well. मैं इसको देने वाली हूँ like a good 7 on 10. The way it looked, I was like ये तो flop हो गया है. Looks के लिए तो मैं इसको बस 2 on 10 दे रही हूँ. बहुत ही खराब बने हैं, like the look wise I mean. But taste wise it's good for a healthy version of a muffin slash cupcake. You can't expect it to be, मतलब ये मैच नहीं कर सकते वो लेवल जो मैदे से बनता है, जिसमें शुगर होती है, जिसमें एग्स होते हैं. So don't compare it with that kind. I mean, I'm not comparing it with that kind of a cupcake or muffin, but for the healthier version, this is like a good 7 on 10. Yeah, I am happy. So Saurabh, I will make Saurabh taste this tomorrow and let's see what his reaction is. Now let's go do some skincare. Let's begin with the skincare. तो पहले मैं बनाने वाली हूँ face mask, which is homemade, and let me show you how I make it. So here in a bowl I am taking like orange powder. ये orange peel का powder है actually, जो मैंने dry किया था for like 3-4 days. Luckily there was sun out here, so I dried the orange peel. Taking some turmeric. Next I am actually going to add little honey, and after this I am going to add very little water. So yeah, that's it for now. Then mix it in a good paste. This is like I'm using this, I'm like going to use this after such a long time actually. बहुत टाइम से मैंने ये यूज़ नहीं किया था. Orange peel powder should be a little more. So going with a little more. This is like a game changer, you know. I will actually try and pop up a picture here of what this mask helps with, so you can read it over there. I'm just going to make it into a fine paste. Okay, it's skincare time finally, and let's begin. So first I'm going to scrub, then I'm going to apply the face mask. उसके बाद I do something. So this is an alum and I just use it on my skin. I will show you what I do. And then to end the skincare routine, just end it with an aloe vera gel. Now the alum part, जो मैं alum लगाती हूँ, like don't apply it. Like please don't apply it if you have any allergies or anything. Just do like a patch test on your hand or anything, and then apply or then start using it. इवन द फेस मास्क जो मैंने घर पे किया है, ऑरेंज पील है, उसमें टर्मरिक है, हनी है. अगर लेकिन अगर इफ यू हैव एनी स्किन एलर्जीज और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, यू थिंक it might not react well on your skin, don't do it. So let's start with the scrub. So I generally just wet my face with clean water and then scrub it like for a good amount of time. Let me show you how. And of course you should not forget the neck. So yeah, a little scrub here, a little more here. Yeah, don't expect it to be very aesthetic. It's not going to be. It is not a skincare vlog as such, nor am I a beauty vlogger specialist. So this actually is of what do you say, the rice scrub. Yeah, the rice, I don't know what to call it exactly, but yeah. Take some water and do it again. I generally do it for like 3 to 4 minutes and that's enough. So I've cleaned off the scrub. And now the step 2. Now, I'm sorry, I don't know why I was speaking. So now the step 2 is applying the face mask. And this is one of my favorite face masks. Trust me, I have been using it for a very long time now. Yeah, it keeps falling off, so better be careful. And it will leave stains because there is turmeric in it. So like, try not to drop it on your clothes. Also the powder which I made is not like finely grinded. वो powder जो orange peel का है वो finely grind नहीं हुआ है. So that's why these patches, otherwise it ends up becoming like a paste actually.
One eternity later.
Yeah, so this is what I'm keeping it right now. Ideally it should also be on the neck, but yeah, it has not become into a proper paste, so I am not going to go on the neck or else my clothes are going to get stained. Yeah, so I'm going to leave this for like 15 minutes and then wash it off. Okay, so I have washed off my face but I have not wiped it. It's still wet. तो मैं अभी लगाने वाली हूँ alum, and this is what I generally do. I keep my face wet and also just run the alum under the tap once, like so that that also becomes a little wet. And this is what I do. I just rub it, and I do this for like 2 to 3 minutes. It's really good for your skin. Again, I will try to pop up a picture somewhere here of why it's a good idea to do this. My dad had told me to do this actually, and it works. It is amazing. मैंने इसके पहले जो भी, I mean, I did a scrub and I put a face mask. मैंने बहुत time बाद किया है ये actually, but doing this what I'm doing right now, like rubbing alum and applying the aloe vera gel after this, जो मैं करने वाली हूँ, ये मैं हर रोज कर रही हूँ for 30 days. Like, you know, I'm making it a habit, which it has already become now. And even before that I was doing, but before that I was not doing it every day, but now I'm doing it like, yeah, every day. And now I am just going to wash it off with with normal plain water. And now the final step, what I'm going to do is apply an aloe vera gel, which is also again very good. And I don't wash it off, I use it as a night mask. So this is like a moisturizer also, which acts like a moisturizer. And then I sleep with it, like I don't wash it off. Your face becomes a little like oilyish, and I apply like बहुत ज़्यादा apply किया मैंने तो, like the face is little oily for like 5 minutes or so. That's it, and after that it's not. But yeah. That's it. This is how I leave it, and it will get absorbed in like 5 minutes. बस 5 मिनट में सब absorb हो जाएगा, and it is amazing. It's the best feeling. So that's it for today. हम कल मिलते हैं. मैं कल भी हूँ अकेली, so the vlog of a day without my husband continues tomorrow. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to next day, and next afternoon हो चुका है by the way. And oh my god, look at this fellow. It's the same guy who was there yesterday, right? Yeah, oh my god, crazy. But yeah, so as I was saying, it's the next afternoon. Actually मैं काफ़ी लेट सोई थी कल रात को, तो मैं आज सुबह लेट उठी, and उठते ही I just rushed to the gym. But I did not vlog that because कितने ही बार मैं gym दिखाऊँ. But I am back now. I had a good session in the gym. उसके बाद मैंने एक 45 minutes का मस्त सौना लिया gym में ही. I am back feeling good. And I'm quickly going to prepare some lunch. I'm actually making pasta for now, and uske baad I think I will go meet my friend. So yeah, that is what is happening today. So I am ready, and मैं अब जाने वाली हूँ मेरे friends के साथ बाहर. They are also Saurabh's friends actually. But they are meeting me at the city center, and we're just going to roam for some time. और सौरभ भी वहीं आने वाला है. So that's it for this video, guys, and do let me know in the comments what did you think about this vlog, or if you want to see something specific, do give us ideas also in the comments. And stay tuned for Saurabh's video, which was the other side of these this one day. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.